Hi little girls, it's teacher Lina. Today we're going to be doing your doll dance, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you a new dance and you will need to get your own doll. So if you have a doll at home, like teacher Lina's swan doll, so I have a swan princess doll over here, you can join in teacher Lina's doll dance, which you can do at home without teacher, and we'll do it also together in ballet class. Are you ready? So we're going to start in a sitting down position. So feet together, just like in ballet class. Let your doll sit in between your legs. We will bounce together. And 2, bounce 3, and 4. Now your doll and you will go down and touch your feet. And come up one more time. And bounce 2 with your doll. 2 and 3 and 4. Your doll should also touch the feet. Touch the feet. And 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now your doll is a smiling doll. Bring your arms to first position. Bring your arms to second position. And brava, soft arms. One more time. Bring your arms to first position. Bring your arms to second position. And down. And 6, 7, and 8. Now you're going to get your doll. You will hold your doll. 6 and 7 and 8. You can hold it by the arms, yes? Now we brush to the right. Bring your doll to the right. And come back to the center. Bring your doll to the left. And 2. Come back to the center. And 2. Yes. Now we have soft hands. And 1. Soft hands. And 2. Soft hands. And 3. Soft hands. And 4. Soft hands. We pick the flowers. We give it to our doll, or we put it on our doll's head. Yeah, imaginary flowers on your doll's head. One more time. And 3. Now put it on your doll's head. Last one. 4. And on your doll's head. Okay, so we're going to do everything with the music. Are we ready, girls? So let's do it with the music together. Hi girls, you can take a water break for 1 minute. Pause this video and come back really quick. Get your doll. Let's bounce. 1. Hold your feet. And 3. Keep smiling, girls. Back straight. And head down. And come up. Bring your doll's head with you also. Second time. 2. Oops. Teacher's doll is falling. And 3. And 4. Head down. 5. And come up. And 8. Bring your arms to first. And first, bring it to second, head to the right. And bravo. One more time. To the left. Bring it to first. First, bring it to second. And bravo. Now we get our doll and brush. Show your doll to the right. Back to yourself. Hug your doll. And to the left. And bring it to the left, left. And 6. Now let your doll sit. Now we have soft hands. Soft hands. 1. And down. Keep smiling, girls. 2. And 2. Third time. 3. Last one. 4. Now we pick the flowers to the right. Soft hands. And put it in your basket. Left side. And 2. And 2. Good. And third time. 3. And 2. Last one. And 4. And 2. Okay. And we finish. Yeah. Shake your legs and shake your hands. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that simple doll dance. If you feel like you need to repeat it again, do it again for a second time. So teacher is going to ask you to bring your dolls to class next time. Yes, so just be ready for our doll dance for the next class. Okay, girls? Bye! You did such a good job, girls. Curtsy to finish, and we'll see you next time. Bye!